Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our the demo video of our FIP project. So basically, our project name is Decentralized Approach: A Resolution Towards Digital Identity. My name, myself, Mohammad Mumtaz Khan, and I am the last student of PF Kit, currently in my last year. My member is.
My name is Mohammad Rahil, and I'm a partner in the Decentralized Approach Resolution Towards Digital Identity, and I am also in my final year.
So we were provided with the instructor from the university, Sir Siraj Noor, who helped us, and we will thankful to the university, PF Kit, and as well as our instructor Sir Siraj Manur, who helped us along with the difficulties that we had in our project. So
And also, we would like to thank Sir Usman for being coordinator of the final year project.
yeah, he helped us a lot as well. So the basically what we have proposed in our project is that the data in nowadays are everything is centralized. So we approached the towards the data. Created that application which is decentralized, and digital identity is a project which basically the idea came from one man and one identity. So it can be used and accepted all over the world. Like if we have a national identity card, it is only accepted in our national geography. So when there is a need of digital identity which is accepted in multiple geography, almost all over the world. So basically this idea came from this thought of one man and one identity. And so the first use cases that we have took in the earlier part of our project was that we would like to work on the use case of medical tests, which will help us start this project. Like if a person has done his some tests, and he should not carry all his data with him. He should post a link, or he should upload his test on our servers in our application, and then whenever he needs, he can show it to the relevant authorities where he needs to. Functional features, Rahil will describe these functional features.
So we have basically created the application on Stack, and we took out blockchain as a service. Decentralization is the feature of the project, as nothing is centralized, and we have made the application decentralized through a blockchain DB. Our project is a new concept which has used several features such as blockchain DB, Hyperledger, smart contracts, and other things. Hyperledger is basically a enterprise based blockchain service, and a smart contract is written with IPFS for the uploadation of file systems. We also wrote research paper on the IEEE format, which has been submitted to the different local and international conferences.
So now we would like to show some features of our application, and working features that we created an application based on our mon stack. So Rahil, please show the some application.
Please share the screen rights.
Okay, I will share. Rahil, you can share.
Yes. So this is the front of our application. Here is our application. You can have a sign up, or you can have a login directly. We have made a participant, so we will directly log in to one of the accounts. So this is written in Mern stack with React as a front end, and this has different features. I have added the features like edit profile, edit education, and you can add financials. You can add your different bank accounts or financial through this, and you can post your IPFS provided link in the post area of this website where we have uploaded different tests, and those IPFS link can be shared, and these links can be uh, uh, taken in the medical test. As you can see, here are different medical tests that we have placed on our platform. So this is one of the links which is currently loading.
Rahil, in the meantime, can we share some code snippets?
Ye- Yes, in the meantime, we can see some code as well. So here's our functional code. We have React in the client, and we have models written which are in MongoDB. We have routes which are API, which are route APIs, and which it is Big Chain DB is one of its core features of our application research paper and project. And the other post profile and user packages are also there, and there's a JSON file which has all the packages of our dependencies used in the Node.js.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Rahil, let me share the screen now.
Thank you.
So, and as you see, as you saw, these were our functional features, some of and the code snippets that Big BigChainDB we have used in our project. And this is the one of the screenshot of this. Now, we have created some poster for our marketing and marketing of our project was like you can see the idea here in this poster. Some of our architecture, this is the system architecture diagram, which you can see that there will be basically three IDs. One is the device ID, and the one I talked about earlier, like NIC and passport government issued. And then one, this self-rate ID will be the one which the user will create on our application. So this id then will goes to the application. And in the meantime, and on the back end we will have our services like hyperledger and blockchain as a service which will work on this application on those identity, and will make it immutable and trustworthy for the user to upload their contents. And IPFS will work as the file sharing system, which will like we see in the post that links will be posted and we can verify on those we can verify these links through IPFS. This is the first use case diagram that we currently working on, and inshallah we in the future we are working and thinking to expand our project in other use cases as well. uh, Finally, I will like to conclude it on my behalf is that the concept of digital identity is still under working in the current era of the world, because there are identities which are limited to nationalities only. There is nothing like a digital identity all over the world, and big companies like Microsoft and other are still working on this idea and are open to new new challenges. So the thought that one man and one entity on decentralized application will help the user to trust the application, and blockchain as a service also will also encourage users to trust the application and the mechanism that we have created to, so they will not be worried about their data. Yes, Rahil.
So this is how we are concluding our project, that with the advancement of blockchain technology, we can have that trustful nature of an application which can be used in a decentralized nature to provide a digital identity. Thank you.
So this was our application, and I hope you like it.